You may think magnets are only for sticking pictures to the fridge, but think again.
It appears that magnets create a blood flow and help to bring more oxygen to areas of injury and help accelerate healing.
Physical therapist Raymond Crayley says these treatments are painless, but very effective.
If you hurt in an area, you apply the negative side of a magnet over that area, and that's as simple as it is.
70-year-old Bill Roper almost gave up playing golf because it was just too painful for his neck. He believes magnets saved his game.
Wearing the magnets for, almost 2 years, I can go.
You've heard all the hype about herbal medicine and acupuncture, but how about magnets? More and more people are swearing that small magnets can help relieve intense pain. So Bertha Coombs is here with her special report. Bertha?
I've got some magnets here they gave me. I'll let you look at them. They're not the magnets on your refrigerator, though, they say. Magnets have been used in Asia and Eastern Europe for years now. Though not FDA approved in this country, they are increasingly being touted as a natural alternative for healing everything from headaches to back pain. To hear users tell it, it's a magic magnet cure.
Frank Girafoli moved from New York to Palm Beach hoping to spend his retirement playing golf, but he usually played the back nine in pain.
I had a back brace. I used to take Advil 3 times a day, and when I got home, then I used to put the cold compresses on.
Magnets, he says, have done what his doctors couldn't.
I feel great wearing them, and it doesn't hurt anything and doesn't bother anything. I don't have to take the Advil anymore.
Senior pro golfer Jim Colbert swears they've saved his back and put him back in the winner's circle.
He's been wearing them for 2.5 years and has no pain.
Advocates say magnets reduce pain and encourage healing by stimulating the body's electromagnetic fields.
When you put this on the tissue, what happens? All the blood will flow in and actually attract to the magnet. In other words, the healing charge of tissue in the body becomes a negative charge. And we found that if you enhance that with a magnet, that you will stimulate the healing process far quicker.
Well, I've played 33 months any day that I wanted to play, whether it was practice or playing a tournament or do an exhibition or whatever, and I haven't done that since I was 15 years old. So I wear a belt with these 3 magnets on there, and I guess it keeps a lot of blood flowing right around in my lower back and through the hip area, and so I don't spasm, and I stay loose all day, and I obviously can play much better when I do that, and I can bend over, practice putting, and still be able to walk.
I'm surprised, okay, because Colbert is the one who mentioned it to me, and I tried them, and within 4 or 5 days, it made a marked difference in my lower back.
I've got them on my elbow, you know, all day and all night, and whether it's helped or not, I mean, I'm doing better, and I have to think that maybe that has something to do with it.
With my various arthritises and whatnot, I use them. Well, I've got one on my arm right now. You could just scope in on that. These are very small. You can see they're called neodots. And I've had a little pull in the shoulder, and you just put it on under a Band-Aid and just put it right on. And it works. For me, it works.
Since he was 15, senior pro golfer Jim Colbert has suffered from back pain. In the last few years, he's taken to strapping on magnets to help him with his game.
32 months, I haven't missed a day, not let alone a tournament. I haven't missed a day that I wanted to play golf. So, I mean, it's not an option for me. It just creates a lot of circulation.
Jimmy taking a 4-iron, just trying to start at the middle of the green, hit a little cut.
It's not just Colbert, but about half the members of the senior PGA Tour use magnet therapy to relieve aches and pains. Dr. Paul Roche, who is writing a book about the use of magnets to control pain, says one thing is certain.
There's little question about the fact that magnets can achieve remarkable results in some patients with respect to relieving pain and reducing inflammation.
Golfers aren't the only ones to discover this alternative to mainstream medicine. 6 months after knee surgery, a friend suggested Nancy Del Pizio give it a try.
So I put them on my knee and I was working and I said, let me get up and practice hopping. And I got up and I hopped, and I was just amazed because I couldn't.
Professional athletes are also being drawn to magnet therapy. Last month, Miami Dolphins trainers used magnets on Dan Marino's injured ankle to help it heal faster.
You have nothing to lose and everything to gain by trying it. Most people will say, yeah, it's a placebo effect, it's all in your mind. Well, if it works, nobody really cares.
Even Dr. Roche tells Channel 2's Liz Mullen that magnets are no substitute for seeing your doctor, but if it's a choice between using a magnet and pain-killing drugs, he says you might want to give it a try.